What is going on to this family, man? Check y'all in. It's early morning. Right now it is 7:50. On the way to Trinity Motorsports. Y'all seen I got the lowering kit, so today's the day is going on, man. This rake is straight from hell. I got like fucking 2-3 inches in the back higher than the front, so we gotta get that taken care of and get this bitch set and level on all four. So I'm about 15 minutes out. Hopefully they got some shit outside. Hopefully the truck is there that I seen, so y'all can see what made me want to go with these guys, because they clearly know what the hell they're doing. And when I pulled up the buddy house while I was working, he had a lowered, older Tahoe, I think it was. So yeah, he had a lower truck and he had a fucking lifted truck. So I was like, "This your business?" He was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Bet, let me get a business card from you or something, so I can got them lock in with you when I get my kid in, so you can lower my shit, man. Because clearly you know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying?" So I'll check it back when we get there. Hopefully they got something good to see. It told me it's gonna take all fucking day. I was like, "God damn it, man." But it's gonna be worth it. I know that much. So at least it don't take 2-3 days. You know what I'm saying? But all it is smaller coils, relocation brackets for the shocks, and new little adjustment rods, so it tell where the truck to air it up to and shit like that. So nothing too complicated, which is why I don't know why it's gonna take so goddamn long. But you know, get it done and see what it's looking like. So I'll check it back in. Got it out here. Trinity. It's the truck I was talking about, yeah. I fucking zoomed it. Alright, so plans changed. They thought I had a whole drop kit for front and back, but just for the back. So they said it only take like an hour. So just here waiting for it. Yeah, I'm excited to see it without a rake. I had to look at that shit every day. It just blow me every day how fucking high they had that shit sitting in the back. But yeah, check it back in, and we're gonna go somewhere, try to find like somewhere I could be by the water, take some pictures so I can re-drop the pictures of the Escalade, man, because I did some shit to it before. I mean, after that picture was dropped. So new pictures coming soon, of course the video, but I'll check it back in here so I can see the difference already. Oh, that's much better. Oh, it is much better. Jesus Christ. Nah, this shit looks way fucking better. I'm gonna go somewhere else. This glare's fucking it up. Oh, that looks much better, bro. Yes, sir. I got no more rake on that motherfucker. I need a tape measure. I'm like, am I tripping or am I not? This side might be a little lower. gonna have to see though. I need to take measure. I could be tripping though. That boy look way, but that bit was yiked up in the back. Ooh, that shit over with. I forgot to check out land, but I just got down, went back to the same place, took some pictures and shit. And now I am headed back to the crib, man. Gotta get some food on my stomach all day. But now I'm very satisfied. It looks 10 times better. I don't have a fucking football field in between my fucking rims and my fucking quarter panels anymore. It just looks a ton better. It looks more uniform and put together. So, yeah. Finna head. Well, it's traffic. I'm taking the expressway all the way back, so I'm headed downtown. Take that way. Get a little scenic route, man. Guess I'll let y'all get some of these views with me, since I don't really have much for this video. Yeah, it was just me, goddamn. Getting that Lauren kit put on now. So, I'll check y'all back in. I will give y'all a little hint of what I'm doing next to the whip. It's finna look like you're outside when you're inside this motherfucker, if you catch my drift. When you look up, it's gonna look like you're outside when you're inside. See what I'm saying? So yeah, check y'all back in. The infamous mossy ass trees, man. I be thinking, like, how the fuck do these trees even getting that shit on there? That shit just fucking get blown onto the tree, or shit grow it? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? This isn't downtown, by the way. This is just the fucking, I don't know where it got me going. I thought it was gonna take me downtown. I just want to see all these goddamn trees, man. Shit. This shit. Like, what is that? You know what I mean? Alright, now. So as you can see, the brackets is on. When we come up, we got the little springs in that motherfucker. And then we also got the new inlink, that's what they want to call that right there, to the computer, what they said it at. So that was all in the kit. 1, 2, and 3. Hey, y'all, man, I am on the way to get my goddamn hair done. It's been like 2 months. The lady been out of town. She'll fly in here and then she go to like Houston or some shit like that. But as you can see, man, I just washed my shit up. Got this all on, cause my shit long as fuck. So it's gonna take a minute for it to dry, unless I'm like under hair dryer or some shit. But I'm headed there now. I'm trying a new hairstyle, y'all, so bear with me. I don't know how this shit gonna look on me. I'm used to the plaits, but what I'm getting today is called like rope twist, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something different. So I'll check y'all back in. I'm just trying to get some content for y'all, cause this video was me lowering the Escalade, but that's all I have for y'all. But what I got coming next, it's gonna be crazy. So I'm trying to get y'all, you know what I'm saying, some more content. Make this video just a little longer, man. So y'all bear with me on the content. I'm getting it in, you know what I'm saying? Shit is expensive. This is some expensive content y'all getting, no cap. So yeah, I'll check y'all back in. Alright, y'all, as you can see, man, we got put together, man. I already done cut my hair earlier this week, so you straight on the haircut. And ooh, but see, you get my hair extra right. No cap, know I be going to have, man. But yeah, what's next? I don't know. But, yeah, all the way put together, man. These the I just told y'all the rope motherfuckers. They go crazy. Catching the vibe with some shit. Yeah, and I got me a little ride home. And I don't know if it's gonna be the end of the video or not, but we gonna see. Y'all, it's a new day, man. Right now, I'm headed to the tag office. I just got my official license plate, so I'm finna go see if I can't switch it up on them, man. I'm gonna go custom plate. I always got like different style plates, but I never got like a custom plate that says like what I wanted to say. So I'm gonna try to go like ATLian or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Something different, so people don't think I'm from where the fuck I'm at. You see what I'm saying? So check y'all in, let y'all know how that go. These motherfuckers driving slower than a motherfucker in that bullshit at Hyundai in front of me. Like, you know, move that bullshit, man. God damn. Yeah, I'm gonna check y'all in though when I get there and shit. Alright, y'all, we done made it. I'm going ahead and see how much they tax a nigga that got down and get my shit customized. Alright, y'all, so every variation of ATLian was gone. So I got ATL Caddy. ATLCADI. But yep, best I could do. I want to have ATL in there somewhere, so you know. But I'm not sure if I don't know how long it's gonna take for it to get manufactured and sent out. But tell them by the first plate, it's gonna take a minute. And my damn temp tag has January 27th of fucking next year on it. So hopefully it don't take that fucking long to make my shit. But it's whatever. And it's not like a regular fucking temp tag. It's one from the, you know, tax commissioner office. So I don't know. I'm trying to make excuses of having a temp tag on again. Fuck. We back temp tagging. Fuck. Alright, y'all. Check it out. Pulled that bitch out, man. Able to cut in the grass and shit. Damn. I forgot how smooth that bitch ride, boy. That motherfucker, man. Them boys, that's what I mean. Can't get rid of her, man. Come on now. You know I'm gonna keep her forever and ever. God willing. God willing. What is going on to this family, man? Check it out back in. So I ended up blowing my Roxford Fosgate, and I needed something that I couldn't blow, so I bought some big shit. And then right now, temporarily, I took the subwoofer out of the DTS and put in the Gothic 12. But I got something crazy. So this is the bad boy I got right here. Evil. Motherfucker is heavy as shit. The magnet ain't no hoe. Got some sturdy ass brackets on that bitch. So we about to see what this motherfucker talking about. Go ahead and take this guy out. Put that bad bitch in there. Show y'all the difference in the size, man. I don't know if I can tell. Look at that. Big difference. Huge difference. Yeah, dog, it's crazy. I'm biting the bullet. I'm buying the bigger amp. The one I got right now is only 500 watts. I'm trying to buy something around like the 1500 watt range. Nothing that's gonna kill my battery too bad. But if I come up on 2000, I might have to cop that guy. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sound like outside the car. And then I'll probably be in the end of this video. So. Definitely louder. I got the custom plate coming, man. Wait for that shit.